This is model HH880. It is a 12-volt emergency jump starter, 900 peak amps. It's got a lot of information. It's got an instruction guide. If you need further details, you may read online. It's got two 5-volt 2.1 amp USB ports so you could charge your smartphone. It has two 12-volt outlets on top so you can run additional things. It has a very strong grip and cable, long enough to reach your battery, and opens up pretty wide. To store the cables away, they clip on. You just simply wrap the cable over the front to the back and lock it into place like so. The unit will say low when you get it, so please charge your battery for the first time. This is the test button. It tells you need to charge. You charge it via two ways, via AC or 12-volt system. So if you have a solar power bank and you want to be off the grid to charge this, this is what you would use to do so. Everything is weather sealed. Close up the tops. This will turn on the USB ports with the indicator that it's on, and this will be off. Going down will turn this light on and the indicator light as well. We'll come back fully charged and we'll go out and show you how to boost the car. It's not a wonderful day, so we're going to put this plug into a socket, plug it into my battery charging unit, extend my cable, plug the unit in. It says FL percentage. As we charge our unit, we'll come back when it says full. Going over the instructions, you're going to have to leave this unit to charge for a full 38 hours on your first charge. AC power is definitely 34 to 36 hours for fully charged, but charging with the DC power, which we are doing, will take 14 to 16 hours. We're going to just let the battery condition as it says in the manual, and then we'll go outside and have some fun. I'm at my car. I want to go start it up. It don't start. Totally dead. So what do? We grab our jump starter. We take off the cables. Look at that nice big opening. Go over the terminals. Red for red, black for black. Got a good connection. Turn the unit on. It tells us we're correctly positioned. And we're at 52, 51. Turn the unit on. Go start the car. Since I have a remote starter, I'm going to start it right here. And we're started up just like that. So what we do, we shut the unit off, pull the terminals off, pack this up for the next day. A 1,000 cycles, 40 full hours of non-stop LED use, non-stop use of the USB and socket ports. This unit is excellent. It's a liquid sealed battery, so you could turn this any old way you want, and this will do a great job. It's a heavy unit. It will boost your car, no issues at all. It's a lot easier to carry one of these in case of an emergency. It's just not for the car. If you're doing other things and you want to run things, this is a great unit to have. I hope you enjoy your battery booster, no matter what it is that gets you out of trouble. Enjoy your product.